In this video, we'll be looking at the 2 slides in the Erlebnis Therme Town. First up, the donut slide. This gentle giant is a nice family slide. You can ride it with a donut, without a donut, forwards or backwards. Coming up next is the race slide, the black hole. Steeper, faster and in the dark. This is a race against the clock. Anything under 20 seconds is considered a good time. If you want to see the rest of the spa and our full day, you can click the link below. Or you can click the subscribe button and follow along for more adventures. For now, we'll see you next time.